Hey there, Tad Hargrave from marketingforhippies.com. Hope you're all doing well. Today's video is about the difference between marketing and selling. This was a question I got from somebody who's in my membership, saying that she'd heard that marketing is about, kind of getting people to the door, and then sales is about getting them to buy. And I don't agree with it. First of all, Peter Drucker has a great line where he says the purpose of marketing is to make selling redundant. The purpose of marketing is to make selling unnecessary. But here's how I would define the difference. Marketing is speaking to a crowd, and sales is speaking to an individual. And if possible, I want to eliminate the need to speak to the individual. The need to do a discovery session, the need to have these protracted, long one-on-one conversations, because so much of that can be handled writing a good sales letter, doing a good presentation. People may not need to know or talk to you one-on-one to, a lot of that can be handled, which, it's just, otherwise we spend all of our time talking to people, and people say, hey, I got a 5-minute question, which turns into an hour-long conversation, and pretty soon you have no time for your family or friends or actually delivering on your business anymore. So to me, marketing is about sharing our work, our perspectives, our understandings, our offerings in a broad way. And then for certain businesses, there's a time where they need to talk to you one-on-one. Can't entirely eliminate it. So there's a certain point where you're going to need to engage in a conversation, but that's different than trying to get people to buy. If you engage in that conversation from a place of trying to coerce, persuade, etc., bad news. That's where it becomes manipulative. But if it's just a human conversation to get to the truth of, is this a fit or not, then it's going to work really well. So that's my thought about the difference between marketing and selling. Hope you're doing well out there. Check out marketingforhippies.com if you'd like some more info and free stuff from me.